That's beautiful. What were you playing?
Yeah.
And what is this amazing bowl?
This is called a tank drum, and it's beautiful because you can make up anything you like. There is no such thing as being wrong. It sends lovely meditative frequencies through you. It is tuned at 432 Hertz, so it's the lesser tuning in terms of it's a calmer tuning. So it instantly calms you down, restores your balance, and you can just float off on any music that you wish to create.
Very beautiful.